Hello guys, my name is Dennis. Welcome to my channel Need Some Space. And in today's video, I'll be talking about some amazing exoplanets that exist in our galaxy, and they have some amazing facts that should probably blow your mind. Now, exoplanets are really far away from Earth, a lot of light years far away from Earth, and they have amazing names as well. For example, the first exoplanet that we're going to talk about has a name like this: HD 189733b, almost like a phone number. Now, this particular planet is 63 light years away from Earth. What is a light year? Light year means the distance traveled by light in a year. So 63 light years is very far. And this planet was founded in 2005. So in spite of Venus being the second planet in our solar system, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. And the temperature of this particular planet is 2 times that of Venus. So it is very hot. It is very windy and it rains glass on this planet. So as the temperature being really high, what happens is that the silicate evaporates and goes into the clouds, and when it cools down, it rains glass. So this is one interesting fact about HD 189733b. Now coming on to the other planet, which has an even better name, which is OGLETR 56b. I don't know who keeps the name for the planets, but they are surely running out of good names. This particular planet has a temperature of 2000 degrees Celsius. That is a lot. And because of this, there's a lot of iron that melts on this planet and evaporates and goes into the clouds, just like the previous one, and it rains iron on this planet. Talking about rains of different planets, Neptune, which is in our solar system, has rains of diamonds. Due to the abundance of methane, ethane and ethine on the equator of Neptune, the methane is specially crushed into diamonds. So people who like diamonds, you know where to go. Unfortunately, you won't be coming back. So one-way ticket. There is one more planet known as Planet 9, which is a hypothetical planet, and it is just outside our solar system, and it's believed that it is orbiting the sun in an elliptical path. There are a lot of theories that how this planet could be formed, but some scientists say that this is a core of a much bigger planet. This is just a core of a much bigger planet which is cooled down with time. So it is 5 to 10 times bigger the size of Earth, and this is just the core. Imagine what would be the size of the actual planet. So there are a lot of conspiracies about Planet 9 that it does not exist. It exists, but it is hypothetical yet. We do not know about it. But the next planet I'm going to talk about is real, and it is one planet that we can move to. When our sun goes supernova, we have to save the human race and go to another planet. So scientists have come with a conclusion that this particular planet, which is called as Proxima Centauri b, which is a terrestrial planet, and we can actually move there because it revolves around a dwarf sun. So a dwarf sun, actually a red dwarf, means that it is smaller than our sun, and the planet is too close to the sun, but it's okay. It's in the Goldilocks zone, which is also known as the habitable zone, in which life can form. It is just 4.24 light years away from Earth, but with the technology we have today, it will take more than 1,000 years to reach on that planet. So there is a lot of things that scientists are looking to reach faster on that planet. Even if we travel at the speed of light, it will take a lot of time, or 2-3 generations will pass away, but we still won't reach there. It was discovered in 2016, and it has an orbital period of 11.2 days. So the Earth has an orbital period of 365 days. This particular planet, Proxima Centauri b, has an orbital period of 11.2 days. It is that close to the sun. So this particular planet is one planet that we are planning to go and save our human race on that planet. It's going to be very difficult. We have to be in the astronaut suit. We cannot live on any other planet like we are on Earth. So we have to take care of a lot of things. So this is just the part 1 of this video. There are a lot of planets that are more amazing. So a part 2 will be coming soon for this video. In my next video, I'll be talking about, is it actually possible to move on Mars? What will be the difficulties that we are going to face? And what good things will come out if we move to Mars? So be tuned for my next video, and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And do not forget to comment down the ideas if you have any ideas that you want to share with me, so that I can make a video on that particular topic. Also guys, I have put an Instagram handle below, Alco Art. If you like creative designs, then you can follow him. He is the one who helped me design my YouTube logo, and we had a great time designing the logo for this YouTube channel. So do not forget to follow him if you like creative designs. So see you next Sunday. Thank you for your time. Namaste.